Hello and welcome to Early Programming Tasks. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create a simple calculator by using a switch statement. So, as you all already know, that hashtag include iostream. That's a header file and it contains all the functions of the program like scene, cout, and responsible for input and output. And using namespace std here, so we don't have to put std before every statement like before every cout. And int main is means that our function needs to return some integer at the end of the execution, and we do so by returning 0 at the end of the program. So let's start it. So first of all, we have to take the choice from the user, and we have to take two numbers from the user so he or she can perform the task or the operation that they want to perform. So we are gonna say int and num1 and num2, and a semicolon is a must-have in the end of the statement. So after it's cout and an insertion operator with the quotation, we are gonna write enter first number and cin. With an extraction operator, we're gonna say num1, and a semicolon is a must-have. So I'm gonna copy it out and gonna paste it here and gonna write second here and num2. That's all right. Okay, now we have to take the operator from the user, that which operation they want to perform. So we're gonna write cout and an insertion operator, and with an quotation mark we are gonna write enter the operator. Within the bracket I'm gonna write the operators plus, minus, division, multiplication, and a modulus operator, and a semicolon in the end, and cin a choice we are gonna say. So let's say character choice here, and after this we have to write the switch statement. So I'm gonna write switch, and within the brackets we are gonna write choice. So choice here, and curly bracket starts, and all those statements are gonna, cases are gonna come within these curly brackets. So case 1 is gonna be like case, and within these commas we are gonna write operators like plus and a semicolon in the end, and then cout, and within the quotations we're gonna say the sum of given numbers is, and num1 plus num2, and a semicolon. Okay, if the user is gonna put plus in the choice, then this case will gonna happen and the sum of the numbers will be given, and then the system will break, statement will break here. So for the next cases I'm gonna copy this out and gonna paste it here. So case is gonna be minus and minus here too, and I'm gonna write difference here, and again put in the statement case and multiplication sign and multiplication sign here, and the it's a multiplication of given numbers is, and for division I'm gonna say the division of given numbers is, and a division sign, and for modulus we're gonna say the modulus, and the modulus of given numbers is, and the sign here. So these are all the cases, if which will be the case, the statement will come here and then it will be break, and after performing that task, that operation. After this, all this, if the user puts any invalid choice, means any other operator or any word or something, so the case will go to the default and it's gonna say cout invalid input. That's it. Invalid input. And that was all. Now let's see if it works or not. So I'm gonna enter the numbers, let's say 12 and 34, and I'm gonna write multiplication operator here, and the answer is 408, and the program works very well. And thanks for watching the video. You can try it out by yourself.